Nili unit distributes seeds to farmers. Villagers express deep disappointment over lack of drinking water in Panjan. Hello and welcome to Karbin Live. You're with Julie BP with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. With the aim of encouraging farmers of the local area, the Karbi Farmers Association Nilip Headbrands on Friday distributed various seeds at a distribution ceremony held in Nilip. The distribution program was held at 1 p.m. and was chaired by Nilip KFA Headbrands President Bikram Tokbi and was attended by SGB Wilson Crow, Nilip KFA Unit General Secretary Gostin Terang, Publicity Secretary Arjun Tokbi and several farmers of the area. During the event, the organization distributed potato seeds, mustard seeds, peas and spinach seeds to over 50 families who depend on agriculture and farming for their livelihood. Later, after the distribution event, KFA Nilip Unit President Bikram Tokbi told Karbi Anglong Live that their organization has completed 5 years in Nilip and that this was their third distribution program this year. The organization further told Karbi Anglong Live that they would continue in their work for the welfare of the farmers and would also carry out similar event in the upcoming days as part of their goals to help in battling unemployment problems inside the constituency. The organizations also urged upon the youths of the constituency to take up agriculture for their life with pride and dignity to support their family and the general economy.
Alu matene tum puro ethe keron ponjiarni lo lapen labang so harmu keron long stami tumalong SGB lapen ladak president secretary ne tumalong do lapen kato we chitu tun sini tum non ron ponpo labang so alu keron ponji lake inura long pen lin cap lason sini tum ron pipon po lapen ne tum ke thak lake ne tumalong mate dagnen tum nilip head branch la ne tum ke nilipelong bang ke head branch lo lapen ne tum sub branch lake do.
Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. With the entry of winter season, villagers of Ramlekte village in Panjan under the Nilip constituency have expressed their deep disappointment over the failure of providing water by the PHE, which has been stopped for about 7 to 8 years. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The PHE was set up in 1974 in the village, now headed by village headman John Lekte. According to the villagers, the PHE services were stopped about 7-8 years back due to problems only known to the concerned department officials and the authority. Meanwhile, staff employed at the PHE told Karbi Anglong Live that the only employee who was appointed was not able to cover all areas and look after the PHE water facility. Further, the staff told Karbi Anglong Live that replacement water pipes were never sent to their PHE facility, which finally contributed to its ultimate shutdown of services. The only staff of the PHE had urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang and local MEC Pabitra Rongpi for early initiatives and take necessary action for replacement of pipes which had been damaged for its early revival. Meanwhile, residents of the villages also made appeal upon the KAAC chief for his intervention for its revival in order to end their problems of safe drinking water.
So langke poisa rong pen lekhe rong ke doni ne don thom ne an belu nange le long la si ke ninkan plikep so se a palo po langpong hin no lir long ke nilita bonain edelu la pen ke bonai bang ke nili no we kuna ni ting thang lok sita nili hajira ti pon si nili si bonai lu sita non ke nilita bonain edelu langpong hin no lir ma
ladak bangke perpanjan ram lekhe rong lapen poisa ki rong ladak kijunong le juding lo sai la bangso scheme bangke 1974 si scheme deng lo asi la bangso scheme long 1974 pe non 45 years playing tang lo playing that pe na bangke lekhe rong ana bangke kijunong le non nikan potrok ana bangke junong le tin lo
rong bang aso ke no ni tik hu ke lang bom lo tanon hino dak ke lang le del ting lo.
Sanjit Cruz report from Chokihula for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Karbi Anglong Mom's Dancing Star Grand Finale. Langdonik tha, paetung kekan kachapati along. Kachapati journey lake, Matijong ni Pai Krehini, Adim lake, Joycing Doloi Auditorium Hall, Ikhu. Laban ning chibik tha, bang suarni, kelangdon abang pubang piatum an setamin, ang hodi kachiku, ting negi. Welcome back after the break. The Assam Pradesh Congress Committee State Coordinator Manoj Gogoi on Wednesday visited Bokajan and met its party members to acquaint with the latest status of their party activities. During the visit, the APCC State Coordinator met with BCC President Buddheswar Ingti Kathar and its members and held a long discussion with regard to party activities. During the meeting, the APCC State Coordinator deliberated on the party's strategies and goals for the upcoming MLA election and urged upon the members for their full commitment and support while carrying out party agendas. BCC President Qatar also urged upon the party leader to allot party ticket only to party member with integrity and commands huge respect not only from its party members and supporters but also to greater citizens of the Bokajan constituency in order to ensure sure victory for the Congress. Meanwhile, the names of ex-EM Ratan Ingti, ex-EM Surja Rongpar and ex-MLA Klengdun Ingti has been speculated by huge numbers of local public of Bokajan constituency for the upcoming assembly elections. Anantarang report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic incident, a herd of wild elephants had claimed the life of one man in Kurial Dubi under Bokajan police station. The incident took place on the fateful night of December 3 at around 9:30 p.m. The victim who lost his life had been identified as 45 years old Shankar Malakar. According to source, a herd of 4 to 5 elephants entered the village and created extreme havoc. The jumbos wreaked extensive damage to the fields and gardens of the village. People were trying all means to chase them, but were also surrounded with fears and terror facing the giant beast. Unfortunately, Shankar Malakar was attacked by the jumbos and succumbed to his injuries. Following this incident, the villagers also increased their efforts to disperse the beast from their area. Meanwhile, the local police were also informed immediately and they sent the body for postmortem. Anantarang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.